make hilarious videos like Easy Teats and Naco Bell. I said Naco Bell because it's probably copywritten. And we love DZ cheese. There was one off day. It was in Minnesota. We did a lot of cool things, like we took old time pictures. I don't know, like what do you call them? Like old fashioned, like where you dress
old
up.
Western pictures.
Old Western pictures. Thank you. Rode amazing roller coasters. They were actually really scary.
Most musicians dream of, being able to tour around the world with their best friends, and which is exactly what we're doing, which is such a blessing. If you look at our band from like an outside perspective, we just look like the biggest bunch of idiots, and we have the most dumb voices.